Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can copy any writing style very quickly with Grok. So in this video specifically, we're going to be doing it on X. So if you go to your X search field, you're going to want to type in the following that you can see at the top. Basically what we're doing here is we're minusing any links and we're minusing any replies, right? We're filtering those out. We do not want them. And we're doing from, and then right now, my username. You can put in your username or anyone else's. And this will show up all the posts from that username. Pretty cool, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to scrape all this data into a CSV file, and we're going to give it to Grok and ask it to mimic the writing style based on this writing content. How do you do that? Well, you could just do this, right? And you could just grab some text and pull it down and start copy all of this, but that is not the right way to do it. I would highly recommend that you download this little side thing in Chrome, this extension called Easy Scraper, and it will allow you to scrape all of these tweets. As you can see, they're all here in a CSV. You just hit start scraping and it goes like crazy. Once you've done that, we're going to go over to Grok and we're going to paste in this prompt. Okay, now this prompt will be in the notes below, so don't worry. Essentially what this prompt is doing is it's having Grok analyze all the files. Be sure to upload the files and make sure that the think button is on when you do this, right? We want to make sure that it's thinking. As you can see here, it thought for almost a minute and a half. So it's going to analyze all the posts and it's going to analyze what kind of writing style that user writes in. Then what it's going to do is it is going to write a system prompt, and then from that system prompt, Grok is going to write in the style that it thinks matches the writing sample you gave. It is going to iterate on this until it gets outputs that match your beginning example. Really, really cool. So as you can see, Grok thought for almost a minute and a half, and it goes through. It starts step one. We get an initial prompt. It goes through again. We got another prompt. It's refined. It goes through one more time. Another system prompt, and it goes through, I believe, a third time, right? And here we go, our final prompt. Boom. So this is, I had Grok copy my writing style, and you can copy this and now use it. So what's great about this is you could copy your writing style with your prompt and then set it up in your own custom GPT or chatbot so that when you're writing, you can write in simple terms, maybe even bullet points, and then have AI do the rest for you. Then all you have to do is go through and freshen it up yourself, and you're gonna get amazing results, especially if you use Grok, because Grok is really good at mimicking people's writing styles. Definitely better than ChatGPT. And we can paste this prompt in here, and then we could say, write a quick post about how AI will be better for humanity. So we've given it our prompt and we've told it what we want. Boom, there we go. But you could do this for anyone. You could do it for Alex or Mosey or anyone on X that you like. You could probably do this for any authors, right? So that's what I want to show you today. Just a really quick, cool way to use Grok to be able to speed up your workflow or copy someone's voice if you wanted. If you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you later.